Hello students. In this lecture we will learn how to solve inequalities and we are going to solve I should write here we solve only inequalities with one variable. Only one variable inequalities we are going to solve in this lecture. One variable means like we will start by taking example number 1. Clear. If we take example number 1, the question is x minus 8 less than equal to minus 10. This is the question. Clear. So what you need to do? You need to do two things. Solve the inequality and graph the answer. Two things you need to do in every question. You need to solve and you need to graph. Okay, so first we will solve and the solution is entirely same to same like we have linear equations. There is no change. How? Try to bring all x term on one side, constant term on other side. So here it is x less than equal to minus 10. And if we shift this minus 8 towards this side, it will change into plus 8. There is no change in the procedure. So x less than equal to, if you see minus 10 plus 8 is minus 2. So it is x less than equal to minus 2. Okay, now take this line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It is minus 2 here and sign is equal. Equal means black line. Less than means this side and mark the line. That is the solution. Very simple solution. Simple, find the value of x and draw the graph. Okay, this is example number 1. Let us take example number 2. It is 3x minus 9 greater than equal to 2x plus 11. Okay, so bring x term together. 3x minus 2x. This plus 2x will shift into minus 2x greater than equal to 11. Minus 9 will change into plus 9. So 3x minus 2x is x greater than equal to 20. Oh my God. The value of x is very, very big. If we are getting very, very big value, then no need to write 0, 1, 2 or minus 1, 2. No, we will put directly here x is equal to 20. We will mark only one point, x is equal to 20. And it is greater than equal. Equal means we will make a black circle here. Greater than means this side. Clear? And we will mark the dots here like this one. Covered. That means the value of x is greater than equal to 20. Okay. If big values are there, small values are there, we can draw. Okay. Example number 3. What it is? It is x minus 1 upon 3 less than 1 upon 4. Okay. So x less than 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3. And this we learn in fractions. So multiply 3 here, multiply 4 here. So 3 times 1 upon 4 times 1 plus 4 times 1 upon 3 times 4. Sorry. 3 times 1 or 4 times, 4 times 3 here. Wait. This 4 times, it is 3 times 1, so 3 times 4 and plus now 4, it is 4 times 1 upon 4 times 3. Yes. So x and it is not equal. X less than 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. So if we mark it, it is x less than 12 is the LCM and 3 plus 4. Clear? So value of x is less than 7 upon 12. Clear? For us, it is very difficult to mark the value here. So how we will do? It is, we will mark here, it is x is equal to 7 upon 12, this point. Clear? It is less than this. Less than means we will make a open dot, open circle, this side. Less than means this side, and we will mark this. Finish. The graph is very easy. If we can draw the value, then write all these values like the previous one. We will mark all these values like this. Clear? -1, -2, -3. But if values is big, like a big value 20, then no need to write. And if fractional value like this, mark is equal to this point and do the same. Okay. Now we will take example number 4. Example number 4, you will learn a different idea. What it is? -4x is less than equal to -16. Clear? If you remember, in the previous lecture, I explained you two properties. So we will focus on property number 2, where multiplication and division was involved. So I told you, if we are multiplying or divide by a negative number, clear, then this less than sign will change into greater than sign. Please remember this. If we are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, here number is negative, -4. So this less than change into greater than. This cancel. So x greater than equal to negative plus 16 by 4 is 4. So the answer of the question is x greater than equal to 4. Okay. So if greater than equal to 4, then the answer will be okay. Okay. So how to draw this on the number line? We can write, because number is small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is -1, -2, -3, -4. Now the number is 4 and equal. So we will make a dark circle. Okay, greater than means this side. Okay, so this is covered it. Finish. Okay, let us take example number 5. So just focus. We are solving just linear equations. We are not using any different technique. Only two different things we are focusing. One, we are having inequality sign that you need to focus. Another is, if we are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, then the inequality sign will be changed. Just you need to remember. Clear? This is very important thing that you need to remember. Okay, one more example in this same this type we will take is greater than 3 minus 9x. Clear? So if this is, keep this here minus 9x, shift this here, this is 30 and this is plus 3 will be minus 3. If you see, it is plus 27 greater than minus 9x, or you can write it minus 9x less than 27. It is same. Here just changing minus 9x less than 27. Okay. Now if you divide minus 9x by minus 9, if you divide by minus 9, so this less than sign will change into greater than. Please focus here. Clear? This less than sign will change into greater than sign. This cancelled. So x greater than minus 9 times 27 divided by 9 is 3. So x is greater than equal to minus 3. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, minus 3, and it will be an open dot because only greater than. and this side. Okay, so this is example number 5. So whatever we are solving same questions like we solve in linear equations. Clear? Okay, let us take another question. It is 15x minus 19 greater than equal to 42 minus 13x. Clear? So if we see, bring x term together, 15x plus 13x greater than equal to 42. This minus 19 will change into plus. Okay, so 15 plus 13, it is 28x is greater than, it is how much? 9 and 2, 11, 4, 5 and 6. It is 61. Clear? So divide by 28. 28 x upon 28 divide by 61 upon 28. And this number is not divisible. So x greater than 61 upon 28. So how we are solving it? As I told you in the previous, we will take this is x is equal to 61 upon 28 greater than equal. Equal means it is a black circle here. Greater than means what? Greater than means it is this side. Cover it. This region complete. This is the solution. Example number 6. Okay, let us take some more example. It is example number 7. I am solving questions from page number 65. All questions page number 65, question number 8. There are I think 12, 16 parts, 15, 16 parts in question number 8. So I am solving all those parts. So the question is 2 upon 3 minus x upon 5 and it is less than 4 upon 15. So how to solve it? It is minus x upon 5 less than 4 upon 15 minus 2 upon 3. And if you see how to solve the fractions, I told you multiply 3 here. 4 times 3, 15 times 3 minus multiply by 15 here. 2 times 15 upon 3 times 15. This one. So minus x upon 5 less than equal to, it is 12 upon 45 minus 30 upon 45. Okay, so minus x upon 5 less than equal to 45 is the LCM, 12 minus 30. Okay, so minus x upon 5 less than 12 minus 30 is minus 18 upon 45. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you here is, okay, that we will study later, don't worry. So here is minus x upon 5. You need to remove this 5, so you need to multiply by minus 5. Because minus 5 you need to cancel, so minus 1 upon 5, so minus 5 you need to multiply. Minus means this less than sign will change into greater than. So minus 18 by 45 into minus 5. Now this 5, 5 and negative, negative all cancel. So x is greater than this minus, minus finished. 18 times 5 is 90 upon 45. That means x is greater than 2. If you will divide 90 by 45, the answer of x is 2. Means division is 2. So x is greater than 2. So how to draw the graph? Well, this is simple. Now you are expert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it is greater than, no need to mention the negative. Okay, no problem. Let us mention something. Greater than only. So it is a open bracket. open dot, and this is this side. This is the solution. So you need to learn, you need to practice these questions so that you can get full marks. And this is very simple. If you practice these questions, you will practice automatically the linear equations for one variable that we studied previously. Okay, so let us take the last one question here, last example, example number 8, and let us choose some difficult question. Okay, so we are choosing it 3 upon 4 bracket start 3x minus 1 upon 2 and minus 2 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 3. Okay. So first of all, this is x term. We will keep this term on left side and less than 1 upon 3. Shift this term. Minus 2 upon 3 will be plus 2 upon 3. This one. So 3 upon 4, 3x minus 1 upon 2 less than 3 is the LCM. Now this is easy. 1 plus 2. So 3 upon 4, 3x minus 1 upon 2 and less than 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3 is 1. 3 upon 3 is 1. Okay. So if you see here is divide by 4. So what we can do? 3 by 4, 3x minus 1 upon 2 multiply by 4 less than 1 times 4. Now this 4 cancelled by 4. So how much we get? 3 into 3x minus 1 upon 2 less than 4 times 3, 1 times 4 is 4. Okay. So divide by 3 inside. What it is? It is 3 times 3 is, let us partition it. 3 times 3 is 9x. If you multiply 3 times 3 is 9x. And then if you multiply here, it is minus 3 times 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 2 and less than 4. So 9x less than 4 plus 3 upon 2. And what I told you, make the fraction both the terms. Multiply by 2 here, 4 times 2, 1 times 2 and plus multiply by 1 here, 3 times 1, 2 times 1. So it is 9x less than 4 times 2 is 8 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. That means 9x less than 2 is the LCM, 8 plus 3 and 9x less than 11 upon 2. Divide by 9. So if you will divide by 9, it will be what? This cancel x less than, and these if you divide by a fraction, these multiply 11 upon 2 into 9. So let us divide one more. It is x less than equal to 11 upon 2 times 9 is 18. So this is the answer, x less than 11 upon 18. Clear? So what is the solution? We will choose a point, x is equal to 11 upon 18. It is less than means only a black dot this side. So this is the graph. Okay. So little one more thing I want to explain you. If we have, look here, a upon b upon c upon d, means if you are dividing two fractions, then first of all outer multiply, it is AD upon inner multiply BC. This is one thing. But if A upon B, clear, is divided by C, this is A upon these two numbers divide BC. Okay, and if A we are dividing by B upon C, a fraction, so what it will be? AC upon B. These three things please remember while you are solving, you are simplifying the fractions. Okay, so that's all for this lecture, and in this lecture we learn two important things: how to use the properties means if we are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, the inequality sign change. This is one thing. Another thing we learn how to solve the linear equation. The process was simple. Bring x term one side and constant term other side. Okay. Please keep in mind both these things. Thank you very much. Take care.